Hey, I'm Tim N7KOM and I want to show off a new paddle I got this week. This is the Ashi paddle imported from Japan by Ara N6ARA. Head to his website if you're interested in getting one. Comes with the paddle in a protective case, a leg strap, and two mounting options. So let's go ahead and take a look at the paddle. Pops right out of the case like that. And here it is. It is all plastic, only weighs a few grams, and it uses two micro switches, one there and one there, for the keying action. Now it is non-adjustable, but I find out of the box it just has a really good feel. I love the action and the return on these paddles. It feels really good sending. Now let's take a look at the mounting options. So you'll notice on the bottom there are two screws here, and this is to make it set in the right orientation on the mounts, and then there are also two holes to receive the mounting screws. So let's open this up. First, take a look at the leg mount. So you see we have some different screw holes and then a configuration of these larger holes that the screws on the bottom slot into. So this is so you can have the paddle at a different orientation for whether you have it strapped to your right or left leg. So fits in like that. Line up the screw holes and mount it that way. Now let's take a look at the other mount. This is a magnet mount, and as you can see it has the screw holes and some magnets. Would attach there, mount the screws there, and this lets you use it, on a metal mounting plate, on your shack bench, or maybe even on the car. I think I might try getting a HF Mobile with this. Okay, that's a quick look at the Ashi paddle, and now I'm going to demo how it sounds getting on the air. Yeah, so I really like this paddle, and you can get it on N6ARA's website. He imports them from Japan. I'll also link to Ashi's website on there. And if you read Japanese, then maybe you'll be able to order one directly from him. All right, I'm N7KOM. Catch you next time.